Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Unique Fashion Every Sense. This video about styling elegant dresses for women. Elegant dresses should, should be elegant accessories, pearls are the usual wedding jewelry and pair perfectly with a classic elegant dress. Heirloom jewelry to looks beautiful. Putting on your grandmother's necklace or bracelet is a gorgeous way to honor her as well as bring your elegant dress are the preference dress style of many ladies when they dream about their wedding gown. It is likely to invoke time your dress choose on your special day. Elegant dresses are based on older style of dresses and include some style. A dress is an unsupper-based fabric elegant dress design because the tight upper body dresses piece makes your body appear more splendid in contrast to the big skirt. This is pleasing design for almost everybody because the big skirt is just very flirting feminine. Elegant dress generally remain the viewer of a fairy tale. Dresses with the full skirt that is puffed out from the many yards of tulle